Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. Welcome back to our live video tutorial today. First, I want to say Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's, and I had forgotten what it was like to have so many people in my house. For so long, we had, there were 10 of us, plus, a baby, so that makes 11. And my mom and sister could not be there. My mom had surgery, so we've been back and forth to Little Rock a couple times, and again tomorrow. And so for the foreseeable future, that will be something that's happening. So if I miss a day or a few days, please be patient with me. We have lots going on. So anyway, today is the launch of our new mini catalog. This is a great catalog. We're going to do a project out of here today, but I love this, and I've already ordered quite a few things. Not everything. We can't get everything we want, can we? But we try. And then our celebration event is going on as well. So for every $50 you spend, you can pick out a $50 item. We also have $100 level items, and this has a ton of paper in it. We have embellishments, we have ribbon, we have dies, we have bundles, all kinds of great things in our celebration catalog. So super excited about that. We'll be making projects out of this later as well. So today we're focusing on the Hooray for Surprises bundle. This comes with a stamp set and dies. Let me show you those up close. This has 16 stamps, lots of sentiments, some small stamps, and we have a couple bigger ones. Now, what's great about this, it's got the open here and the pull, because on the die set, not only does it cut out shapes, but it cuts out these little tabbed outlines. Let me grab this big circle one here if I can, or maybe not. Maybe I'll do this one. These cut out and perforate so that when you die cut them, the image doesn't fall completely out. You can take the tab and pull it open. So I'm not doing that on today's project, but we are doing that on the card class this month. So make sure to check back the third Thursday of the month to watch that. And then we will be using these dies and stamps as well throughout the sale period and through the end of April. So be watching. These are awesome. So today we're just doing a quick card. We did this at our bingo class last Friday for New Year's bingo. And so I thought I'd share them with you since most of you didn't get to see them. I'm also using this designer paper. This is the prettiest pastel party paper. It's called Lighter Than Air. It's in the Lighter Than Air suite that goes with this hot air balloon, but today we're using the twine and this gorgeous paper. This is great for parties, for anything, because it's got soft pastels. Really the only this is a hot air balloon. You don't even need the dies to use that paper. I mean, that's a cute set, but it can be used for lots of other things as well. So we're going to make a cute little birthday card. Now I've cut this designer paper 5.5 by 4 1/4 because I want to cover the whole front of my cardstock here. So I don't even want any white showing. I just want a fun, full piece of designer paper. Now, one thing you can do, now I cut this 4 1/4 by 5.5. If you want to get more paper out of your, or more card fronts out of your designer paper, you can actually make this 4. And wait, this is, hold on, this is 6 by 6 paper. So you can only get one card front out of a sheet, which is why I did 5.5 by 4 1/4. That's what I did. I was thinking it was 12 by 12, but it's not. It's 6 by 6. So we're covering the whole front. I tend to cut a little bit larger just to make sure that it's going to cover the whole thing, and then maybe trim off whatever extra you might have. That's just a little tip. There's nothing worse than cutting the paper and then realizing it's too small. I hate when that happens. Okay, so we've got our card front. Then we have a piece of vellum, and I will put the measurements on my blog, but this is 4 1/4 by 3. So I'm going to adhere this to the card front at an angle. I'm just putting some seal adhesive in the middle. I'm going to put this at a little bit of an angle to the left, and then this will go to the right. So I have a piece of white and a piece of balmy blue. So let's do a little bit of stamping. So I'm going to bring in some fresh Freesia ink, and we're going to use this adorable little cake. And I'm going to stamp this near the bottom, right in the center, and I'm going to stamp it again over here. Okay, you'll see why in a minute. Then we're going to bring in some balmy blue. And we're going to stamp our candle right above our cake. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment that says Make a Wish right at the top of my paper here. I'm going to do that in balmy blue, and I'm going to do my inside sentiment too. It says, hope your birthday is wonderful. We always need birthday cards. Okay, and then let's stamp a flame to go on that candle. I'm just going to use Daffodil Delight. This uses Lemon Lolly in the designer paper, but that's a pretty light color, so I just like to use Daffodil Delight because it's a little bit stronger. Whoop. Some of my little things, my little rays didn't come out, so we just re-stamp that. Okay, that's it. I mean, how quick and easy is that? And super cute. So let's just adhere this to our balmy blue cardstock. And then I am going to, with this one, we're going to take this die right here. We're going to die cut that little cake out, and it comes out just like that. So we're going to pop this up on top of our cake. Now I stamped it here first so I could get the placement of my candle and my flame so that it matches well. I'm using up pieces of dimensionals here. So we're going to pop this up. It's going to cover that, and now we have our placement for our candle and our flame. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of Wink of Stella just to glitter it up a little on the light. And then we've got a little piece of our twine. This is so cute. I love all the colors in here, but it's got balmy blue, which I really like. So we're going to tie this in a bow over to the side because we don't want to cover up our candle or anything. Let's pull that, and then we can trim. Let's grab our ribbon scissors, trim a little bit, make that as long or as short as we want. And then we're going to pop this up on our card front. Let's use up the rest of these. It's so satisfying to use up the rest of a pack of dimensionals, don't you think? Okay, I'm going to put one right here to hold that on, and we've just got a little bit there. We'll use that up. Okay, got everything peeled off, and this is going to go this way, just like that. And then let's just bling it up a bit more. I have got all kinds of random embellishments floating all over my desk. And let's see if we can get this open. These are some balmy blue sequins. They're in the annual catalog. I haven't bought the rainbow dots yet that go with this suite. Look at this Look at these. Aren't those cute? All those great pastel colors. This will be so great for Easter and for spring. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my my blue sequins that I have. Whoops, that's upside down. And pop a couple of those on. You can put as many as you want, but these go really well with the with that one. Let's see, these are in the annual catalog. Let's find these real quick. These are sequins. Let's see. Page number 10. See, it's hard to tell, but these are them. It's these are the pastel adhesive back sequins. They're gold, petal pink, and balmy blue. So these are great. These will also be great. These are like a dark green, and then they have pink and white. So any of these sequins will go with a lot of different things. And that's it. That's our Sweet and Simple card today. Make sure to check back on Saturday. I have another card for you that with using new product, and as well as a card for you on Monday. So we're back. Fortunately, we can keep our momentum going. And I see Kathy's on. Hi, Kathy. Yeah. I feel like my phone's shifting. All right, well, that's it for today. Make sure to check my blog for measurements and supplies, and then just remember with a lost my train of thought. With a $50 order during celebration, you get to choose something free out of our celebration mini catalog. Lots of great items in here. Papers, we have stamp sets. Look at that cute baby set with the crib. I love that. Okay, thanks everybody for joining me, and I will see you back here on Friday. Bye-bye. Or it's not Friday, Saturday. I take it back. Friday's tomorrow. See you Saturday. Bye.